Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm ready for another day tour in Kurunegala. Today I plan to go to Thempana, Kurunegala Lake and Athugala Rock. There is something that I must say. Something that I must say about Thempana. The thing is that I know nothing of it. I have never seen it. I have never heard about it. I searched through the internet and I found out that it is a place built by an English governor in order to provide water for his army battalion. That's the all information that I got, apart from the years and dates and all. Other than that, I don't know anything about Thempana. So first, we are going to Thempana. We'll see what it looks like. This is the road that you have to take. You can see the beauty of here, the shadows, and there is almost no sunlight that comes to the ground here. Got some footages, that's okay. I think you have now seen it through the video, but today it was closed guys. So if you come here, if you plan to come here on a full moon poet day. It is still being used without motors. They are pumping water, drinking water to Kurunegala town. They don't need motors because this is in a very high place guys. I think you saw it through the video when I came here. It is really high, so no need of motors. That person told me that there are caves and small places where monks used to meditate as well. But in order to see all of that, I have to come here on a full moon poet. That's it for now guys. Let's meet at Kurunegala Lake. Hi guys, I'm at the Kurunegala Lake now. I'm gonna eat now because I'm gonna go for the climb of Athugala Rock just after eating. I've been waiting here for some time, hoping that the sun would go down so that I could collect some footages of this beautiful lake, but not yet. The sun didn't go down and it is already 1:30 p.m. guys. I'm really hungry. I'm super hungry. And also I hope the sun would go down after I eat so that I could get some pictures, as well as I have to go up that Athugala Rock in the midday sun. Today is super hot guys. I mean, yesterday it was a bit raining, but today it is super hot. Super hot means I can't even go outside and have a walk and collect some footages. That hot. So hopefully when I eat this, there's nothing much to eat, but I need energy. Hopefully after I eat, the sun would go down and I could go up that rock and collect some beautiful footages without difficulty. So fingers crossed. So guys, our little finger trick worked, I think, a little bit. The sun went down a bit, but hopefully it stays the same, or I think it should go a bit down for me to climb that rock. I hope you guys can hear me because I have to wear my mask because it is a pandemic situation out there, and I really think you can hear me well. So the sun is down, not so much down. I think I will be able to collect some footages, and I am a little bit okay about getting outside and having a little fun here. So the weather is bearable. So this lake is quite a great lake, guys. There are two specialities about this lake. Not specialities, just like two rumors about this lake. I don't know for sure. The first one is Kurunegala town gets its water from this lake. But as I told you in the morning, I found another place called Tampana that the people said that Kurunegala town gets water from there. But also some people say that this is a place that they get water from. So we don't know for sure, but I promise you I'll research and present you the correct information in the video. And apart from that, the other rumor is this is a great place for lovers. Not a great place, like there have been several cases that police took care of some couples and sent them home, saying that they were doing some unnecessary things. But I hope we can see some couples. Surely there are couples, but they are just holding hands and they are just chirping away their love songs. But what I think is it is so not good to judge people by their like if they are having some conversation, holding hands and putting an arm around his girlfriend. That's just normal, right? I think those people who are saying about lots of things have also done these things in their youth, but don't know. That's what they say. So guys, I'm at the lake again and I found a place where you can see our next destination, the Athugala rock. The most important part of this rock is that beautiful huge statue of Buddha, and I hope you can see it from here. Let me show you. Okay, there, can you see it? That is Athugala rock, and that is the Lord Buddha's statue there, right there. I hope you can see the white statue there. Okay guys, now let's move on a little bit around the lake. I have collected some footages using the car. I have collected some footages using that as well, but it is better to have some footages so that you can experience the same way I experienced here, so that you will feel that you have come here as well. So I hope that they won't mind me taking a camera in front of the public because there are so many couples. Let's see what happens. Let's go guys. Hi guys, I'm just about to go up the Athugala rock, and it is super easy to find this location, and this is just in front of the provincial council auditorium. And for your guys convenience, I'll drop a pin and mention it in the description. There are two ways to go up to that Athugala rock, and this is the way that we have to take if we are willing to take the stairs. If you want to get there easily without climbing up the stairs, you can always use the motorway, and it leads right up to the top of the mountain, and that's it. You can go there by car without any hardness. Okay, I hope you can see. Oh, the lighting is not that good. Okay, wait. Okay, somewhere there we can see the stairway. Okay guys, we are at the starting of the stairs. Let's go. It is super beautiful. I thought it is going to be easy with the stairs, but mind you, these steps are a bit slanted, so it feels as if you are climbing up through rock. But the beauty, that is so fun. Guys, the stairway came to an end and it's super steep here. The handrail has been a great help, but still I'm greatly tired, guys. I don't know whether it is because I have not done something like this in a very long time, or is it because of my leg, which is after an surgery. This is the first climb that I am doing after the surgery. Stairway ended, the rail ended, but the climb is still on. It is pretty steep here. Hi guys, I'm using the road to get back down from Athugala. It's so late that I don't think I will be able to make it through the stairs, because once the dark falls, I don't think I will be able to see the path, and that is quite risky. So they are the policemen on the top of the rock also recommended this road, because they don't want us to get into any other troubles as well. So there are some things that I need to tell you guys. I wanted to tell you these things on the top of the mountain, but since there was a little hubbub and it was like people were there enjoying themselves, so that I didn't harm them. So there are some things that I wanted to tell you guys. This Athugala, Athu means tusker, Gala means rock. So this name is given to this rock because when we come in the Colombo road, Colombo to Kurunegala road, we could see actually a tusker. His trunk was not straight, but clearly that was a tusker. But the thing is, now with the buildings and all, now you can't see properly the tusker, but 10 years back you could probably see the tusker. And also this place, this rock, does a great deal of a job, because this is the reason Kurunegala got its name. In early men's Sinhala language, Kuru meant Aliya, or Kuru meant elephant or the tusker. So when the king was going hunting, he was going with a farmer. When they were going, they saw this rock, and the king yelled Kuru Kuru, which meant elephant, elephant. So king said Kuru, and the farmer said Na Gala. Na means no, Gala means two. So that meant king shouted elephant, elephant. The farmer shouted no, it's just the rock. So that is how this Kurunegala got its name. So this is the reason that Kurunegala got its name. Okay guys, let's go back to my car, and I'm super ready to go back home and have a fresh bath and have a fresh meal as well. If you like the video, just click the like button and hit the subscribe button if you want to see the next video that I'm probably be doing here in Kurunegala. That's it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in from the next video.